Sanibonani bafethu, today ngifuna unibonisa bafethu quality ezinike engizithengisayo bafethu. Ngithengisa izinike ezahlukahlukene. Phuma ukuthi ufuna isinike esinjani. You understand? I see water drip clothing, we have different kind of sneakers and ama-sneaker wethu high quality bafethu wonke bafethu. Uyayibona lonto le. And sirana especially esikhulu kakhulu, special for Air Force 1. Uyayibona lonto le. Air Force 1 sirana special esikhulu kakhulu for Air Force 1. If you are interested umdala from size 3 yabantu abadala until size 9, we have it is only 950 including i-delivery fee. Nayibona into le. So nezingane sinazo izicathulo zezingane, ngikhuma abo Nike Portal, abo Campus, ndibala ntoni nabo Nike TN zikhona bafethu. Uyayibona into le. And nje zikhona so ndikhona for ukuthi mina kwenza sure ukuthi zafikelela kuni within 3 to 5 days. Sebenzisa iPix, sebenzisa iCourier guy. Nayibona into le. Izicathulo zabantwana zonke ziqala ku850 azikho above 850. You understand? Uyashisa izomntwana and then sukutholele, but from size 8 abantwana abancane ukhuphuke until size 2.5, from 3 isize abantu abadala. Nayibona into le. So ithi nginiboniseni ke bafethu i-quality sneakers zami which like Air Force 1 and i-Rana special sayo until December bafethu uthola only 910 rand including i-delivery fee. It takes 3 to 5 days. You are very eligible bafethu. Sangenza le video ningibone mathupha. Nayibona lonto le. So ke ngizonikhomba ke bafethu ukuthi ihamba kanjani. So ke lana ke uyena ke lo Air Force 1 wethu namakhala u2 na ke la ku Air Force 1 siphethe ehene black and then siphinde siphathe nobani no lento no white. Yabo lona ke usize 9 laba bagcoka usize 9 bafethu uyena ke lo Air Force 1 wa size 9 bafethu lona uyena ke lona phakathi kanjena ke nayibona new brand but brand new from the box. You see, you understand? Isilimo siwasekha bafethu, but ke into ebalekile ukubona iquality yesicathulo bafethu. Senza sure ukuthi uyasithola on time. Uyayibona into le. And then when isibheke kahle bafethu, isibheke kahle bafethu, iquality yakhona iyaphila bafethu. Iyaphila iquality yakhona. Yaphila iquality yakhona bafethu. Yangithola yaphila nje kakhulu quality yakhona. Nalabo abafuna siscan uyakwazi ukuyiscana uyibone ke i-barcode yakhona ikhona khona lapha phakathi. Yabo ikhona i-barcode yakhona lapha phakathi nayo. Yabo nayi barcode yakhona. Ikhona lapha phakathi iyona le. Yebo. Iyona le yakwazi ukuyiscana. Just manje into esilungene yabo zaphazamisa. Yeah, iyona le bafethu. Uyakwazi ukuyiscana and then ivele lapha yana. Yabo phakathi kanjena bafethu. Line